Hey guys, what's up? This is another video here at Booking Bronco, and today, imagine you get a booking on Booksy, fantastic, but you realize that it's 30 minutes in the future. That's not going to work for you. You don't live that close to the shop, or you get an appointment, fantastic, you go and look, and it's 6 months into the future. Also, maybe that's not going to work. You don't plan that far ahead. That's fine. So what we have in that case is going to be in the section called booking settings, and that is what we're going to cover today. So as always, full disclosure, I am a full-time employee of Booksy at the time of this recording. So this YouTube channel is my own personal project, though, and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and get the app open, and as usual, we're going to go to the bottom right profile, and then again, if you watched the video of the opening hours, going to go to the same place, settings again. Instead of schedule management, where we used to set the business hours, we're actually going to scroll down until you get to the section here with the two gear icons labeled advanced options. Once you're there, you're going to go into the first option that says booking settings, and here let's get now into the booking rules, which are what I made reference to in the beginning of the video. So the booking window, that's going to be the minimum amount of time into the future that someone has to be able to book with you. So let's go in here and we're going to select no less than 2 hours in advance. So that means someone has to book at least 2 hours in advance minimum in the future with me. So let's say right now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and my booking window is no less than 2 hours in advance. Then someone is going to have to book with me at 3 o'clock or later. It cannot be any sooner than that. So booking window is the minimum amount of time, the minimum. The second one, future booking window, right here, that's the opposite. That's the maximum. So the maximum amount of time into the future that someone can book with you. First one minimum, second one's maximum. Let's go in here. Let's go. You could see you can select all the way up to 24 months. Normally, what I see is 1 or 2 months into the future is normal. We're just going to leave it at 3 months. So let's say right now it's April 15th and you have it up to 3 months. So that's going to be May, June, July. So that's 3 months into the future maximum. The system will not let anyone book with you farther out than that. So to reiterate, first one, booking window, that's the minimum. Second one, future booking window, that's the maximum amount of time. And the third one, the rescheduling rule, that is just what the system will allow people to reschedule their appointment. So if it's no less than 1 hour in advance, that means that someone, if it's 2 hours before their appointment, they're still going to be able to reschedule that. If you wanted to have it 1 day in advance, then you can select 1 day. That means if it's 2 to 3 days or more prior to the appointment, they're still going to be able to reschedule. Once it is less than 24 hours before the appointment, they're not going to be able to reschedule anymore. So that's how the booking settings work. Relatively straightforward once you kind of get a little bit of a grasp on it. If you have yet to put your hours in, so your opening and closing hours on a normal week, that is going to be at a previous video I made about schedule management / opening hours. I'll link that in the description below for you to reference. So I'd recommend setting those first. Booking settings is going to be, since they are in advanced options, a more advanced option for you to put once you have your initial hours in place. Anyways, guys, thanks for your time. As always, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe. And if you are interested in subscribing to Booksy Biz, my referral link is going to be in the description below. You can use that to get 50% off your first 2 months. Thanks.